Unraveling the Curry Conundrum in the UK, a tale of health and heritage. The debate surrounding the healthiness of curry in the UK has stirred discussions, prompting a closer look at the choices presented in mainstream establishments. When curry is mentioned, it's often the meat-centric dishes like chicken tikka masala or chicken vindaloo that come to mind, overshadowing the diverse vegetarian, vegan, and plant-based alternatives available. Regrettably, major supermarkets and pub chains continue to predominantly offer non-vegetarian curry meals, perpetuating the perception that these are the only viable options. This has given rise to concerns about the prevalence of what some term as unhealthy curry. Acknowledging this concern, renowned figures in the curry industry, such as Michelin star winner Aktar Islam, advocate for a shift towards healthier curry options. The aim is to cater to a younger, health-conscious demographic and entice curry lovers back to restaurants by providing nutritious alternatives. However, there's another aspect to consider, harking back to a memorable NHS advertisement from the 1990s that urged people to steer clear of fatty foods. This resonates with personal experiences, such as a revealing encounter with a butcher during student days in East London. The butcher's practice of collecting fat to enhance curry flavor raised awareness about the less discussed aspects of non-vegetarian curry preparation. This revelation led to a personal choice to avoid non-vegetarian curries when dining out. The irony lies in the fact that some restaurateurs, having contributed to the perception of unhealthy curry, are now attempting to rebrand themselves by offering healthier alternatives. The challenge they face is whether they can regain the trust of their patrons once the damage has been done. Delving into the historical context, as someone with a Tamil background, the introduction of curry to the UK is highlighted as having economic motives rather than being a cultural exchange. The essence of Tamil curry, which traditionally involves little to no meat and opts for seafood or lean meat if included, stands in contrast to the prevalent non-vegetarian offerings in the UK. It's crucial to recognize the two major categories of curry: vegetarian and non-vegetarian. The historical journey of curry from Tamil Nadu to the UK via the soldiers of the East India Company is explained, emphasizing the dominance of non-vegetarian curry in the UK with limited vegetarian options. Contrary to the rich variety in traditional Tamil vegetarian and non-vegetarian curries, the UK often presents a narrow range of choices. To rekindle the interest of customers, the proposal is to embrace Tamil curry, which has already undergone Europeanization due to colonial influences. Europeanized Tamil curry not only aligns with the nation's palate, but also offers diverse and healthy options, including both vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes. In navigating the curry landscape in the UK, the fusion of health consciousness and culinary heritage becomes paramount, ushering in a new era for curry enthusiasts and restaurateurs alike. This book is available now in Amazon.